If you want to add an online video directly inside Microsoft Word, this tutorial will show you the quickest way to do it step by step. This is especially useful if you're creating a report, training document, lesson plan, or presentation notes and you want to include a video link in a clean, professional way. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to copy the video URL, insert it into Word, and embed it properly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the online video you want to insert. This could be a YouTube video, a video on another supported platform, or any link that you want to place inside your Word document. Once the video is open in your browser, copy the full URL from the address bar. Make sure you copy the complete link so Word can recognize it correctly. Next, open Microsoft Word and load the document where you want the video to appear. Once your document is open, go up to the ribbon at the top and click the Insert tab. This is where Word keeps all the tools for adding media, pictures, links, and other content. After that, look for the Media section in the Insert tab. In that area, click Online Videos. This option allows you to place an online video into your document without having to download the file first. A small dialog box will appear asking for the video link. Now paste the URL you copied earlier into that box. Take a quick moment to double check the link so you know it's accurate and complete. Then click Insert. Word will process the link and place the video into your document. Depending on the version of Word and the video source, you may see a preview thumbnail or an embedded video frame. Once it's inserted, you can move it around like other objects in your document, resize it, or place it wherever it fits best. If you want, you can also type a short note above or below the video to explain what it is or why it's included. That's a great way to make your document easier to understand for readers. If the video doesn't appear right away, don't worry, just make sure the URL is supported and that your internet connection is active. Also remember that online videos in Word rely on web access, so the video may not play properly if the reader is offline. That's why it's best to use this feature for documents that will be viewed with internet access. And just like that, you've learned how to insert an online video in Microsoft Word in just a few simple steps. If this guide helped you, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials, productivity tips, and easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.